So hello everyone, in this video we like to show how to identify the reverse power in the Honda CRV 2001-2006 model. This is the back left of the car, and we just pull out the panel by getting the screw over here off, and then just simply peel out the plastic cover, and then you can put some extra support like this, so it opens an area for you to work on the left side. And you quickly see there's one cable over here connected from the top to the bottom. That one actually slide into this plastic slide here. It was there, so I just peel it, lift it up and give it extra space so we can work further. And here's there's few cable in this block. But quickly with the multivoltmeter, we just plug the red over here, and then one other hand you get the black cable, black tester Y, and you can simply touch the black over here. Okay, and the car, just turn the key and the reverse power on, don't run the engine, and then you see the power is 10.50 something. Don't worry, because the car is not running the engine, the power is only that. And from there we can see the Y is that green black. Okay, so it is that green black from this angle view. There's a few other things: green, yellow, red, black, and green white, but this one is green black. That is the reverse power signal from the Honda CRV 2001-2006 model. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.